Combining a mudroom and laundry into a single space near the entry improves daily flow and keeps dirt and damp away from living areas. Place the washer and dryer as close to the entry as practical to reduce the path for dirty clothes and wet outerwear, and ensure the floor is waterproof with a slight slope toward a drain. Choose sealed porcelain or dense ceramic tile rated for laundry use, and set the underlayment to resist moisture movement. Design a durable work surface at waist height over a front-loading machine or beside a top-loading machine for sorting and folding, and include a minimum 2-foot deep bench with a cushioned top for putting on shoes and a compartment beneath for a pull-out laundry bin. Add vertical storage cubbies sized to fit coats and medium bins, and install a full-width hanging rod set at 70 inches high for air drying and for hanging coats straight from the entry. Use heavy-duty wall hooks at multiple heights for backpacks and dog leashes, and provide dedicated ventilated shoe storage with sloped shelves or pull-out trays so water and dirt drain away. Plan plumbing with a drain pan under the machines and an easily accessible shutoff for both water and power, and locate the electrical receptacle on a dedicated circuit that meets your local code. If space allows, install a wall-mounted folding drying rack to save floor space. Choose finishes that clean easily, like matte tiles and wipeable paint, and specify replaceable hardware so worn hooks and hinges can be swapped without a full renovation. Common mistakes include placing machines too far from the entry, which forces carrying wet items through the house, so move them as close as the plan and plumbing allow. Another issue is insufficient waterproofing and drainage, which leads to mold and subfloor damage, so always install a waterproof membrane, a pan with a drain, and a floor slope to evacuate water. A third problem is inadequate storage and hanging options that cause clutter, so incorporate bench storage, labeled cubbies, a hanging rod, and dedicated shoe space to keep the area organized. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and local contractors by listing projects and letting people find professionals near a property who are available for mudroom laundry combo work, and we host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange design tips and real experience. We help contractors showcase their services and bid on projects while giving homeowners a place to read reviews and ask questions.